Southern Cowman here, guys. Thanks for watching. I got my little man with me. Tractor shopping. Woo! Hey guys, decided I was going to take a little drive today to the tractor dealership. So me and my little man, we're out here at the New Holland and Case tractor dealership. Son, I tell you what, look at this big jump. Look at this big T5 130. That big T5 130.
It might be big, but it's never going to be better than Case.
My son likes Case tractors. Coming out to look at a Workmaster 60. I'm interested in looking at a Workmaster 60, which I think is that one there. It's a big dealership we got here, guys. Now that's a Workmaster 70.
Is that it? Or is it over there?
This might be it right here. What's that tractor right there?
This one is this one. Oh.
That's a 75.
This is a 75.
It's really good. It's kind of like get excited looking at tractors, you know. Look at this little old Boomer tractor.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a little old Boomer 35. Here's the Boomer series. A Boomer 35.
Nice tractor.
Honestly, it's bigger than I thought it would be. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Beside it is a Workmaster 35. I don't know much about the difference in the Boomer 35 and the Workmaster 35. There's a Boomer 35 tractor, guys. That's a big tractor. That's bigger than a Ford 3000. I like blue tractors. I've always liked blue tractors. Of course, blue's my color. Blue is my color. Look at the size of this little guy here. Boomer 35. That's bigger than a Ford 3000. As far as frame size and everything, that is definitely bigger. I'm gonna have to check this one out. That's smaller than what I was looking for, but big case cab. Okay, so right here is a Workmaster 50. Good size tractor. This is where you get into your utility size tractors. You move out of the compact tractors, step up into a utility tractor. Sets up higher, bigger tires, taller tires. Good looking tractors. Now I've been looking at the green ones, been looking at the orange ones, very familiar with the orange ones. Actually, I used to sell Kubotas. So familiar with the orange ones. I've been looking at LS. I've been looking at Coyote, although that dealer is not convenient to my area. This is a big dealership, in my area, and they've got field technicians that'll come out if there's an issue and you're down. That means a lot. even if you pay a little bit more, to have the backing of a good dealership. Very important. I'm gonna sit on some of these guys, so I can't film while I climb up, but this is exciting. I like a lot where this front end loader lever is, because I can kick back like this, and I've got this handle right here, and I like that because I can kick back and I can work my front end loader. It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable being like that. If I want to rest my arm and kick back, just roll with it, I can do that. I'm really getting to it. I can get up here. I like that. I like where this lever is. I like where the gear shift is. It's very comfortable. Low, medium, and high on your transmission range. I like where you fill it up, where you put the diesel in. That's very convenient. I love that location. That's where they all be. I don't like the John Deere's because it's behind the seat and you've got to pick that can up way up high. I like that right there. Everything looks neat and clean. I like the rubber mat on the floor here. I like the mud guard shields. I like the size of this little old tractor. You feel me?
Yeah, I got it.
You get me?
Oh yeah, I got you.
I like the size of this little old tractor. I just need to see the specs on it. I don't know if it's going to be rated to handle round bales, and I got to pick up round bales. Like I said, this is not the tractor I came to look at, but I really like it. This is the Boomer 35, New Holland.
Let me see if.
I mean, for a big man, this is comfortable. I like the platform. It's not completely flat, but the hump is not as big as the Kubotas in this size. I like the rubber tipped pedals.
Oh yeah. I like this when you pull in the gas can. I like that.
Yeah.
It's normal tilt.
Zoom back up here. Guys, I weigh 300 pounds. When I step on a tractor, I can feel if it's made well or not. This one's pretty beefy. I like that one. This is the size that I was coming to look at, and I can already tell I don't like this. This seems way more bunched in. I have a lot more room over there. Does that one have tilt steering? Yeah, it's got tilt steering. This is a Boomer 35. It's got the zoom in right there. This is the loader 250 TLA right here. Yeah, so I can see what it'll do. This has got 2 sets of remotes. I was hoping this would have the lift lever. The LS and the Coyotes have a lever back here where you can raise and lower this lift. To me, it's so convenient.
Instead of having to do it on the tractor area?
Yeah, instead of having to walk around. That is, all tractors should have that, in my opinion. All tractors should have a way to raise and lower your lift arms from back here when you're hooking something up.
Very nice.
I like the size of this little old tractor.
What's this? Compartment?
Probably a compartment for tools. I like that. All right, let's go down here to the used tractors.
Look at that. Now that is huge.
All right, you can click it off. I came to look at this 3930. It's a Ford 3930 with a front end loader. It's got an AGCO front end loader mounted to it. This is a low hour tractor. You know, I can tell that they've done some things to it to make it pretty to sell, but it definitely looks like it's been taken care of. That is one beefy loader on that thing. Look at that frame loader down there.
Look at this.
Yeah. This is let me get in here. Ford 3930, guys. This has got low hours on it. I wanted to come see this tractor and sit on it and look at the condition. It is very clean. I can't tell that it's been painted. That is new sticker. I can tell that. Plus he told me, but I would have seen that. Got the big farmhand loader on it. Look at the size of that cylinder. This is a real tractor. Now that front end nose right there looks like that's new. That's been replaced. That's been definitely replaced, I think. That's new paint or new plastic. Is that plastic or metal?
It's like metal.
Yeah. No, that's metal. This is a real tractor right here. This is just a two-wheel drive tractor, but man, look at the beefiness. They don't make tractors like this, in my opinion, anymore. This is a heavy, very well made tractor. Look at the arms. Look at the lift arms, how beefy. It does have the adjustable. That's nice. It's got the shroud. The tires are not bad. Not bad, really. That loader is rated to lift a lot of weight too. I did look up that AGCO Farmhand 22 loader. I think it's a 222. Yeah, guys, I like Ford tractors, and this is a nice Ford 3930 with low hours. Let's climb up on this beast. It's definitely not as nice as the newer tractors with the flat platforms and the nice leg room and stuff like that, but this tractor definitely has been taken care of. 980 hours. 980 hours. And this feels comfortable. I could work this where this is at. Yeah, this is good size tractor. Sits up good. I like it. It's in good shape. Somebody's taking care of this tractor, I would say. Seat's in good shape. Work light. Straight metal. I don't see a lot of drips. I'm gonna look at this one a little closer. I came to see this one. I also came to see a big New Holland cab tractor. Let's look at it now. Big 4630 right here, guys. Big 4630 turbo. It's a heck of a tractor. That's a beast. A beast of a tractor. Here we go. I think it's this one here. Yeah. PowerStar T475, guys, with a 655 TL loader. That's a beast. That's a beast. I came to look at this tractor. This is a one-owner tractor. About 2,200 hours. They're asking $34,000. It's a cab tractor. It's open.
Let me get up there.
It's got the buddy seat. $34,000. Gosh, that's a lot of money. It's clean looking.
That's that cost somehow.
Look how short this tractor just looks so short to me. The overall length of it. The nose on this T475. It just seems short. Tires are good. This is a 2016 model. Clean looking tractor for a 2016.
Roomy.
PowerStar T475.
Very.
Yeah. Guys, $34,000. I don't know. I think I might want to just get back over here to the old Fords. Something I can afford. I like that 3930 pretty good. Gosh, it's cold and wet. Okay. This tractor here has the lever where you can raise and lower the lift arms. They put it on these high dollar tractors. They just don't put it on the smaller tractors. That's a tractor right there. What to do? I gotta sit in it, I guess. See what it feels like.
I want to sit in this buddy seat.
All right, I'm gonna come over and climb up in it. All right, guys, I'm sitting inside this 2016 New Holland T475 PowerStar. This is inside, up close and personal with the workings of this cab. It's a clean tractor. It's clean.
Got heat. That's cool.
Think somebody smoked in here. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. Because homie don't play that. But all in all, I like the way it looks. But I'm not... Actually, I like the pedal placement. I would just have to pump my seat on up to get up in there. Here's the cockpit of it. It's nice, guys. I could definitely go with a cab tractor, but I don't know if I'd go for this one. This one's been smoked in. They've masked it with something. They've tried to, but you can't mask cigarette smoke, guys. I mean, if you're going to keep a tractor forever, no problem. If you're going to trade it in, it could become a problem. Anyway, like I said, I used to sell Kubotas, and to me, this would be a turnoff. Somebody that smoked in their tractor. All right, moving on. Okay, guys, you go to a tractor dealership, you've got stuff picked out in your mind that you think you're really going to love. You get here, you sit on them, you mess around with them for just a little bit, and you realize the ones you really thought you'd like, you may not like. the ones that you weren't really looking at, you may really like. So today's little visit, I'm digging this little Ford 3930 two-wheel drive tractor with a front end loader. It's got just under 1,000 hours on it. It's a 90, I think it's a 94 model. I'm digging this little tractor. Like I said, that loader's a beefy loader. That tractor weighs a lot. It not being a four-wheel drive, I understand, but it weighs a lot. And that loader, you're gonna be able to go pretty good. So yeah, I like that little guy there. I've also really was liking that little old Boomer 35, which I don't think that's enough horsepower, but I need to look back and see what the where they go up from there. Where does a Boomer 35 go? Do they 45, 50? I think there's a Boomer 50. Maybe I should look at that. Cab tractors. I came out and looked at that T475 Power Star. They've smoked in it. Kind of took it out of my radar. Plus, it was a lot of money, guys. My old Ford 2000 gas tractor put out a 4x5 round bale, just the same as these tractors. Actually, right here we go. Here's a Boomer 50 with a front end loader and a cab. Huh. 260 TLA loader. Right here's a little Boomer 50, guys. Boomer 50 with a cab. It's raining. All right, let's go, buddy. Okay. Now that we're cold and wet.
Called it a day.
Is that your pick right there? Is that your pick tractor? He wants this one. This is what my buddy likes right here. This is a K70A. I'm assuming that's around a 70 horsepower tractor.
He got a cup holder.
Four-wheel drive.
Cup holder. The only downfall is you got to pick your gas can all the way up here.
Yeah, see that right there, guys.
That's pretty simple.
That's nice if you got a tank and a hose. But if you're just an old country boy like myself, I just ain't a big fan of that. Let's look around at the rear end.
Toolbox.
That's the same thing as the New Holland, basically. It's just red. But yeah.
Now this is quality.
All steel fenders, steel hood. I like that. Sweet, buddy. Like I said, I keep going back to. I guess it's just because this is about the size of tractor that I've got right now. And I always said a Ford 3000 is just about all I need because I don't bale hay. Guys, in my area, I can buy hay way cheaper than it costs to buy equipment, maintain equipment, worry about the rain, buy fertilizer. But this little guy right here, this is about the size of a 3000, maybe just a little bit bigger, honestly. I kind of like this little Boomer 35. You know, for me, bush hogging, feeding cows, scooping manure, scooping silage. I just don't know if it's going to have enough horsepower and torque, but it sure is comfortable when I set on it. So I'm going to do some more research on this little tractor right here and find out more about this Boomer line. I know LS Tractor makes the Boomer line, I believe, and I have been looking at the LS. The one plus side that I would think would come into play of buying the New Holland over the LS is going to be resale value. I would bet that the resale value on the New Holland is going to be stronger than the LS. This has got the T50 TLA loader. I'm going to look this tractor up and find out more about it. I really like the size of the Workmaster tractors. These are more the utility line, utility size, which is really what I need. But I do not like the way they're laid out. I mean, actually I've said that. I need to climb up here. I've said it. I need to climb up here. Making sure that wasn't a spider. I mean, I may have told you a story. This don't feel bad, actually. This actually feels pretty good, guys. I've still got room. Is this a tilt steering? Yeah, I don't know. Now, I don't know if this is tilt or not. If it is, I don't see the lever right off. For a big man, this ain't too bad. I like the way it sits. This feels pretty good. It's not bad. Still got the hump in the floor there. But looky here, guys. I don't like that filling on top. I think every gas tank should be down here. Every gas tank should be down there. How convenient that is. I like this workstation. I like the feel of this tractor. I like the size of it. The physical size of it. I just don't know about the capacity of it. I like the size of this little old tractor. All right, guys.